Hey guys, today is another scorching hot day, and I had planned on making it just a drive day, but then I found out that in the area is a waterfall. So as you can see, I am in the deserts of New Mexico, and I wasn't expecting that. So we're gonna check it out. I'm really hoping there's a fly. Okay. Walking uphill. I'm really hoping that there is water in the waterfall. I think there is. I can hear water streaming down that way. We are in a drought, but fingers crossed we're gonna get wet. Okay guys, here it is. Let's go take a look.
Julia! Joel! Karen!
Okay, I'm more than happy that I stopped. This place is gorgeous. Little slippery. Check out. This is it, guys. This is the perfect spot. I have found my New Mexico oasis. There's a handful of people here, but not many. And I found a little pool that I have all to myself with my very own waterfall. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This place is beautiful. Look at this crystal clear water. Look, I'm like already in. The water over by that fall over there was really cold. This water is actually really nice. This is where I'm having my nomad bath, by the way. Not a terrible place to clean off and cool down. Oh my gosh. Sitting Bull Falls, guys. It's right outside Carlsbad. This place is beautiful. By the way, this whole waterfall, this is just part of it. There's another section over there you can't really see behind the tree. Spring fed. This whole thing is spring fed. This water is just pure, clean, spring fed. It's beautiful. This place is gorgeous. Alright guys, here's that main waterfall. We're getting nice and splashed over here. This was a lot of fun. Like, this whole area is so much fun if you want to climb around on the rocks and get in the water and play in the waterfall. And looks like if you're brave enough to go back in there, there's some caves and stuff maybe behind this waterfall. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. What an awesome place to have, right on New Mexico, right in New Mexico, right in the desert. You would never expect such an oasis. Need a place to cool off, this is the perfect spot. This right here, nomad shower at its finest.
I'm on my tippy toes.
All right, guys, thanks for joining me to come see this waterfall. I had such an awesome time. If you're in New Mexico, you're near Carlsbad, come see this beautiful waterfall. The hike to get here was like a quarter of a mile, less than that. It's all cement and easy to do. Totally worth it. Definitely come have a dip here. And love. Probably coming back.